In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zendesk Sell. We'll start by logging into Zendesk Sell from the login page. Enter your work email address and password, then click Sign In. Once you're inside, take a moment to get familiar with the dashboard. In the left-hand navigation menu, you'll typically see key sections like leads, contacts, companies, deals, tasks, calendar, and reports. This menu is your main shortcut to everything you'll be working with, so it's helpful to know where each area lives before you begin. Next, let's add a new lead. Click on Leads, then select Add Lead. From here, enter the basic details for the potential customer, such as their name, email, phone number, and company, and then click Save. Leads are used for people or businesses that may become customers later, but haven't been fully qualified yet. Keeping this information organized from the start makes the rest of the sales process much easier. When a lead becomes more promising, you can manage it more effectively by turning it into a contact and company record. Open the lead record, then convert or create a contact for the individual and a company for the organization. This helps separate personal and business information in a clean, structured way, which is especially useful as your pipeline grows. After that, you can create a deal. Go to Deals and click Add Deal. Enter the deal name, value, expected close date, and the associated contact or company, then save it. Deals are how Zendesk Sell tracks active sales opportunities, so this is where you'll monitor progress toward closing business. To keep your records complete, make sure you track activities along the way. Inside a contact, company, or deal record, you can log calls, emails, meetings, notes, and tasks. This gives you a full history of interactions, which is useful for follow-ups and for anyone else on your team who may need context. You can also schedule tasks and reminders by opening a record and clicking Add Task. Enter a task title, set a due date, and choose a reminder. This is a simple but important way to stay on top of next steps and avoid missing follow-ups. If email integration is enabled, you can open a contact or lead and send emails directly from Zendesk Sell. You'll also be able to track opens, clicks, and email history within the CRM, giving you better visibility into engagement. As your opportunities move forward, use the sales pipeline to track progress through stages such as new lead, contacted, qualified, proposal sent, negotiation, closed won, or closed lost. Finally, head to Reports to analyze sales performance, pipeline value, lead conversion rates, team activity, and revenue forecasts. These insights